Postscript, abbreviated to PS. It is a sentence or a small paragraph which may be added after a main body of the email or after the signature of the letter. It is commonly found after the signature of the letter. Okay. What we're trying to do by adding a postscript? We are just trying to sell our idea one more time. That is the only intention. We are just highlighting, summarizing, or emphasizing on something one more time in our email from a different angle. Okay, let us first try to understand what is postscript and what are the reasons behind adding the postscript. What are the benefits of adding postscript? Now, if you see, most oftenly we go to the last page of the newspaper to read first, because as a rule it contains the most entertaining content. Okay, similarly postscript is added at the end of the email. So most of the people who are aware of this thing, they keep on looking at postscript so that they can get the idea of an email or something from a different angle. It's like a dessert. Okay, you know it will be most delicious part of the meal, so you want to eat it first. PS is the most charming part of the letter. It's like a wink you give when you walk away. Okay, in a funny way, it's kind of wink when you walk away. But don't make it habit. It can start irritating the reader if we keep on repeating the same kind of postscripts in all the emails. Okay, it may devalue the seriousness of the letter also. So we need to add postscript just to add fun. Okay, just to add a taste, just to emphasize on your point one more time from a different angle. But we should not repeat in all the emails. It should be really mentioned so that it has its own value. Now let us see why we should add all these things. For example, it's afterthoughts. Sometimes what happens, we draft an email, a very long email, and we don't want to change anything, and we get something in our mind which we want to add immediately before sending. Just before sending, we get in some idea which we want to mention in the email, but we don't want to change the content, so we add it at the end. This is afterthoughts. We don't want to wait for future communication. We won't want to wait to include the same idea in future communication, but we want to add in the same content. Okay, so it is kind of afterthoughts. After composing an email, we something comes into our mind and we want to mention immediately before sending, so that's afterthought. Adding a personal touch. Okay, this is also important. We add PS intentionally at the end so that we can add some personal touch in a formal communication also. Okay, so this is very important. We can add informal touch in formal communications. Push your point of view. As we have already discussed, one more time we want to present our point, what we are trying to say, what we are trying to sell, what is our idea from a different angle, so we can push our point once more. Okay, you have been doing your best to get to take action, but PS, adding a PS, okay, this is our last chance to emphasize on our agenda, so make it count. Attracting attention. Okay, now how we are going to engage our reader? Make your PS visually appealing so that they would hook readers and make their eyes at once, so that at least once every reader who is going to read that email go through that PS. Okay, so what we can do, we can use bold text. Okay, write in a different font or color. We can format in a separate information box so that it attracts a user. They can spend few seconds to read the PS. It will emphasize on the content in a different way. So these are the reason why we can add postscript in an email, how it can add interest to the reader. Okay, but we need to take care we are not irritating anybody. Okay, so we are doing nothing but we are trying to sell our idea one more time but in a different angle. Series of 6 videos, email etiquettes, covering these 6 topics: 10 golden rules, handling flaming, how to write a subject line, difference between formal and casual email, what is the importance of postscript in an email, how to make an impression through signature, Okay, so these are few of the topics which we have covered in this series. Hope you are enjoying all these videos. You can access these video by clicking on the channel link, then go to playlist and select email etiquettes. You can access all these 6 videos at a single location. So stay tuned, keep watching.